Today exercise 7D. Are you getting me?
স্যার বইয়ের ছবিটা একটু দিয়েন।
Okay, it's okay. Now start, huh? Today we'll do some maths. Okay, question number 12. Write down question number 12. Ja. Left hand side. Tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta. Tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta. 4 tan 4 theta plus 8 cot 8 theta. 8 cot 8 theta. This is the left hand side, okay? Sorry. And right hand side is cot theta. So let's try to do this math, okay? Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Plus 4 tan 4 theta. This is 8 by tan 8 theta, right?
Yes, sir.
I have just converted cot into tan. Tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta plus 4 tan 4 theta plus 8. Can you write tan of 2 into 4 theta? Eight theta has been written 2 into 4 theta. Sorry. Can you write or not? This is the question. Yes, we can
Yes,
write.
sir.
So,
আজকে আপনার হ্যান্ডরাইটিং বদলাই গেছে।
very bad or good? Good or bad?
এটা সুন্দর।
What is the formula? Thank you. Tan 2 theta formula. Can you tell me? 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Can you remember this formula? What is the formula of tan 2 theta? Is it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now, for theta, suppose for theta it is 4 theta. For theta it is 4 theta. Then it will be 4 theta. It will be 4 theta. Am I right? These two will be kept as it is. For theta only. These two will be kept as it is. Okay, for theta, suppose it is 4 theta. So what will be the formula? 2 tan 4 theta by 1 minus tan square 4 theta. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's see. I am writing it again. Tan theta 2 tan 2 theta 4 tan 4 theta. I have maintained the formalities just by writing. Now it can be written, you see, this is 8 tan 2 theta. Then 2 tan 4 theta. 2 tan 4 theta by 1 minus tan square 4 theta. Are you getting it or not? This is the question. Tan 2 theta. Here theta is 4 theta. Here theta is 4 theta. So 2 tan theta, that means 2 tan 4 theta by 1 minus tan square theta. Tan square theta means theta here 4 theta. 1 minus tan square 4 theta. If you don't understand, please let me know. And if you understand only this part, your math is done. That is tan theta, tan 2 theta, tan 4 theta plus. Here it will be what? Can you tell me? It will be in the numerator, right? Is it? And if it is taken in the numerator, what we will get? 8 minus 8 tan square 4 theta.
স্যার
Yes.
স্যার ফর্মুলাতে তো 2 থেটা দেওয়া ছিল, আর এখানে আছে 4 থেটা। তো tan 4 থেটা ইজ ইকুয়াল টু 2 থেটা না হয়ে 4 থেটা কেন হলো? কারণ হয়েছে তো
Okay.
দ্বিগুণ।
Wait. Tan 2 4 theta. Tan 2. I have written tan 2 4 theta. 4 theta only 4 theta. 2 is as usual. You see, 2 is here. Tan 2 into 4 theta. Here theta
Okay,
is
sir.
4 theta. Have you got it?
আচ্ছা। Yes, sir.
Here
Yes.
theta is 4 theta. Now what I have done here, this has been inversed, okay? And as well as I have multiplied 8 into 1 8, 8 into tan square 4 theta, that is 8 tan square 4 theta. Our math is done, okay? Now you see what I am going to write down is equal to tan theta 2 tan 2 theta. Now you get LCM. 2 tan 4 theta is the LCM. 2 tan 4 theta is the LCM. Then we are getting 2 tan square. Oh, I am sorry, there was 4. Have you seen? Please
Yes,
pay
sir.
attention.
স্যার এটা বলতে গিয়েছিলাম, পরে ভাবলাম
It is 4. In the previous line, what is given? It was 4. In the previous line, can you see? In the its previous line, it was 4. You have copied or not?
she copy.
In just let me know what was his previous line. There was 4 written here.
হ্যাঁ স্যার ছিল লেখা।
Okay. Now it is 4 tan 4 theta. Okay. Now you see, you get it. I mean LCM. Then we will get 2 4 8 tan square 4 theta. 8 tan square 4 theta. Right? Plus 8 minus 8 tan square 4 theta. Is it? So we are getting this cancelled. Tan theta plus 2 tan 2 theta. Now it is what? Plus 4 by tan 4 theta. 2 into 2 theta. 8 and 4 will be omitted, cancelled. We'll left with 4 in the numerator. That is tan theta 2 tan 2 theta plus. Can you tell me what is the formula here? Again, the same formula. Let me know. 4 by 2 tan theta 1 minus tan square 2 theta. Is it?
Yes, sir.
That is tan theta 2 tan 2 theta. Here it will be 4 minus 4 tan square theta by 2 tan 2 theta. Now you again multiply. Sorry, LCM. Tan theta plus, this is the LCM, 2 tan 2 theta. Then we are left with 2 tan square 2 theta. Sorry, 2 to the 4. It will be 4 tan square 2 theta plus 4 minus 4 tan square 4 tan square. It is written what? It is written tan theta. Okay, so it will be 2 theta. Make it 2 theta. 4 tan square 2 theta. If we multiply 4 into 4 minus 4 tan square 2 theta, it is 2 theta.
স্যার নির্ঘাত অ্যাড চাচ্ছে, অ্যাডমিট চাচ্ছে।
Okay, this will be omitted. Now you see tan theta plus it will be omitted, will be left with 2 by tan 2 theta. Now you calculate what is the formula of tan 2 theta. Very easy and simple now. 2 tan theta by 1 minus tan square theta. That is tan theta 2 minus 2 tan square theta by 2 tan theta. Get LCM 2 tan theta, that is 2 tan square theta plus 2 minus 2 tan square theta. It will be omitted, so it is cot theta. And it is the right hand side. Can you see the board properly?
जी सर।
Oh, wait.
স্যার 13 নাম্বারের কি হইলো?
আচ্ছা 13 নাম্বারটা করাই নেই। স্যারকে তখন বলা যাবে না।
স্যার 13
না
নাম্বারের
স্যার শুনতেছে না কিছু। স্যার ইয়ারফোন খুলে রাখছে।
ও বুঝি নাই।
রাজীবা তোর ভিডিও অফ কর। স্যার আপনি 13 নাম্বারটা স্কিপ করছেন মেবি।
হ্যাঁ, হ্যালো, সরি আমার একটা কল আসছিল।
স্যার 13 নাম্বারটা।
13 number question, 13 number is about 10 pages, 10
তাহলে এটা
pages.
কি আসবে না?
We'll do afterwards, okay?
আচ্ছা
Okay, you see. Now this is the easiest math. Okay, can you do this math? Question number 1, you see. Question number 1, left hand side, cos 2 theta. What is the formula? 1 plus cos 2 theta equals to what? 2 cos square theta. From here, cos 2 theta can be written 2 cos square theta minus 1. Now you put this value 2 cos square theta. That means what? Half x plus 1 by x whole square minus 1. Now you calculate. It is your turn to calculate. Do it. ঠান্ডা পানি একদম পুরো ঠান্ডা পানি না আর একটুখানি ঠান্ডা ছেড়ে দাও গরম লাগতেছে Can you do this now?
Yes, sir.
What will be? It is 2, it is 1 by 4, it is x square plus 2, 1 by x square. Is it a plus b whole square formula? And it is minus 1. Okay? Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Now you do it by yourselves. What can be written? Equals to 2 first bracket 1 by 4x square 1 by 4x square plus half plus 1 by 4 x square minus 1, right? Now you again multiply by 2, okay? Or you can take 1 by 4 common, okay? Then you multiply by 2, that is what? Half x square, then plus 1, then 1 by 2 x square, then minus 1. Plus 1 minus 1 will be omitted, and you can take half common. 1 will be omitted. Take half common. So we have got our right hand side. Have you seen? Now do question number 2. Have you copied it? Calculation of class 9, 10. Question number 2. Left hand side is equal to cos 3 theta. What is the formula? 4 cos cube theta minus 3. Now please put the value of cos theta and let me know. Can you do it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, do.
আচ্ছা স্যার,
And
এটা
let me
হাফ
know.
এক্স কিউব প্লাস 1 বাই এক্স কিউব হবে।
In the question, Yes, I'm sorry. This one.
Yes, sir.
This one is 3. This one is 3. Okay,
Answer says
math is done.
yes, sir.
All of you. It is what? 4 half x plus 1 by x minus 3 cos theta. Cos theta equals to half into half. This is the math. Okay. Now you calculate. Equals to what? X plus 1 by x can be taken common, right? We can take x plus 1 by x common. So we are left with 4. Here it is half x plus 1 by x whole square, and here it is minus 3 by 2. Perhaps it is. Actually, x plus 1 by x has been taken common. Now you can do it easily.
না স্যার, স্যার হাফের উপরে তো কিউ পাওয়ার আছে।
হাফের উপরে this one.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it was, so then it can be written 8, right? Is it
Yes,
okay?
sir.
Now it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Then x plus 1 by x, you multiply it, then it will be half again, half x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square. Is it minus 3 by 2? Right?
Yes, sir.
Then
স্যার নুজহাতের নেট চলে গিয়েছে, ও আবার অ্যাডমিট চাচ্ছে।
okay, x plus 1 by x, calculate. It will be what? Half x square plus 1 by 2x square minus 3 by 2. Calculate. Oh. So we are getting x plus 1 by x. Here, if we calculate, what we will get? Can you tell me, please? It is what? Half x square. It is 1 minus 3 by 2 minus half plus half. Okay. That means half you can take common. 1 by x. Here it is x square minus 1. Can you tell me what is this formula? Can you tell me, please? What is this
X
formula?
cube plus 1 by x cube.
It is half x plus 1 by x. It is a square minus a b. X is there omitted. Then we will get minus 1. That is the formula of a cube plus b cube, right? A cube
Yes, sir.
plus b cube equals to right hand side. So we have got our answer. Go to number 15. Number 15. Tan theta equals to 1 by 3. What is given? Tan theta equals to 1 by 3 and tan phi is equal to 1 by 7. 1 by 7. We have to show that sine 4 theta, you have to prove. To prove that sine 4 theta is equal to cos 2 phi.
স্যার এটা নাম্বার 13 নাকি?
It is number 15.
সরি।
Now left hand side. Sine 4 theta equals to what? Sine 2 theta. Is it? What is the formula of sine 2 theta? 2 sine theta cos theta. Am I right? Now theta is this. Okay. You know the formula of sine 2 theta. 2 sine theta cos theta. What is theta now? Now theta is 2 theta. Theta is 2 theta. So 2 sine 2 theta cos 2 theta. Now you convert it into tan because tan is given. That is 2 sine 2 theta formula. 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta cos 2 theta formula 1 minus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta. Now put the value. Put the value of tan theta. Do it. Can you do?
4/13।
Do the right hand side. If it is 4/13, then your math is right. Will I help you?
স্যার মিলিয়েছি, দুই পাশেই 24/25 আসে।
Okay, it is equals to what? 24/25. Now right hand side equals to what? Cos 2 phi. That is 1 minus tan square phi, 1 plus tan square phi. You put the value of 1/7. Tan phi equals to 1/7. Then it is what? 24/25. So we have done. It depends on calculation. Number 16. It is hello everybody. Tan square theta 1 plus 2 tan square phi. It is given. You have to prove that cos 2 phi is equal to 1 plus 2 cos 2 theta. Okay, do it. Are you getting me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Then do. Actually, you see, give emphasis on left hand side. So from here, we can write 2 tan square phi is equal to tan square theta minus 1. Okay. That means tan square phi, this is phi, is equal to tan square theta minus 1 by 2. Now get it by inversing. 1 by tan square phi is equal to 2 by tan square theta minus 1. Now dividendo componendo, that day someone told me, perhaps Zumaina. Dividendo componendo, that is 1 minus tan square phi, 1 plus. But you may demand why I did this. I can do from here. Of course, your answer will be, we did it because we know this as by cos 2 phi. This is cos 2 phi. Okay, for this we did it. Now it is what? 2 minus tan square theta plus 1, 2 plus tan square theta minus 1. You see what I have done. Or it can be written, cos 2 phi equals to cos 2 phi is equal to calculation 3 minus tan square theta, 3 minus tan square theta by 1 plus, is it 1 plus hello?
Yes, sir.
1
Sir,
plus tan square
Zayana
theta.
may be waiting room e.
Who is Zayana?
Zayana.
Zayana Zavia. Zayana, she goes and she doesn't go. Have you done or not? This is the question.
করেছি স্যার।
Okay. Your math is done.
না স্যার, মানে এইটুক পর্যন্ত লিখেছি বললাম।
What was the right hand side? Can you tell me?
1
1
plus
plus.
cos 2 cos 2 theta.
So I need 1 from here. Yes, I need 1 from here if I get this at first. Then this by this will be 1. Now see what we need else. We need here what? 2. Is it? 1 plus 2 equals to 3 and minus 2. You see. What I told you, I need 1. 1 is possible. This by this equals to 1. You see how does it come? 1 plus tan square theta on plus tan square theta. If we cancel it, we'll get 1. 1 minus tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. You see this is 1 and this is 2 cos 2 theta.
So previous line টা বুঝি নাই।
This line or this line? This line?
Sir.
Yes?
Yes sir.
Okay. Our in the right hand side there is 1. From here we can get 1 if this kind of formalities or pattern is obtained, because this is equals to 1 by cancelling. So I have taken this and this same. What is given here and what is given here will be same. Now you just balance it. What is needed here? It is 3. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. It is minus tan square. So tan square minus 2 tan square is equal to minus tan square. You have to take this, then you have to balance it. Okay?
Yes sir.
That day, I left question number 6-1. Very easy and simple math. 6-1. Sine 5 theta. Left hand side, sine 5 theta. Your right hand sides are all sine. I am going to write down 16 sine 5 theta, right hand side. 16 sine 5 theta minus 20 sine cube theta then plus 5 sine theta. This is the right hand side. Who can do it here? You see, it is what? Sine of 4 theta plus theta. You can also take sine of 3 theta plus 2 theta, not a matter. You will get the answer. Okay? Okay? You can take it 3 theta plus 2 theta. It depends on you. Have you got me? Okay.
Yes sir.
Now, sine of A plus B, formula number 1. Sine A cos B cos A sin B, right? It is a formula.
Yes sir.
Now, sine 2 theta can be written sine 2 into 2 theta. I mean sine 4 theta can be written. It is cos theta. Now, it is what? Cos 4 theta. That means cos of 2 into 2 theta. Okay, give the bracket here, then you'll understand. Is it? Now, what is the formula? You just let me know. Sine 2 theta, what is the formula? Sine 2 theta.
So 2 sine theta cos theta.
So, what is the theta here? This is
2
the
theta.
theta. So, sine 2 theta, cos 2 theta. Just talk to me. Now, cos 2 theta. What is the formula of cos 2 theta?
1 minus sine
term-
square theta.
In terms of sine, you see 1 minus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 sine square
Sine
theta,
2
right?
theta.
Here, 1 minus 2 sine square theta equals to cos 2 theta. So this is cos 2 theta, right? So what will be the formula? Who can tell me, please?
So 1 minus 2 sine square 2 theta.
Yes, you're right. 1 minus 2 sine square. What is theta here? In this math, the theta is 2
2
theta.
theta.
1 minus 2 sine square 2 theta into sine theta. Our main target will be to convert all into sine. You just keep it in mind. We will convert all into sine. No cosine will be there because in the right hand side there is no cosine. Okay. Now you see this is again can be put into formula, right? What is the formula? 2 into 2 sine theta cos theta. I have just put it into formula. Just talk to me.
Yes, sir.
What is the formula of cos 2 theta? Just this formula. Have you got me? Cos 2 theta. What is the formula of cos 2 theta? 1 minus 2 sine square theta.
Yes, sir.
1 minus 2 sine square theta. Is it or not? Talk to me.
Yes, sir.
What is left here? What is left here?
Sir, 1 minus 2 sine square 2 theta
This
into
cos
sine theta.
this cos theta is left here.
Yes, sir.
Now you multiply it. Okay, you multiply afterwards. Then we can write here 1 minus. This is 2 sine square 2 theta. That means in the bracket we can write here. In the bracket it is 2. It is 2. In the bracket we can write here 2 sine theta cos theta whole square. Let me know if you fail to understand. Hello, sorry. Have you got it or not? Just let me know.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir, বুঝেছি।
Okay, that's good. Now you see, it is equal to 2 to the 4. Okay, I have written 4. This 2, this 2. It was 2, right? 2 to the 4 sine theta. This is sine theta. Now it is what? Cos theta equals to what? Cos square theta. Now this is 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Okay. Now you see plus 1. This is what? Can you tell me? 2 to, here it is what? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 1 minus 8. Have you got it? It
Yes,
is
sir.
2a square. So 2a square means what? 4. 4 to the 8. Okay. So 8 sin square theta. 8 sin square theta. Cos square theta. Okay. Into sin theta. Now you see what should be done here. Can you tell me please? What should be done here? You write down 4 sin theta. Okay, by the way, it is what? Cos square theta equals to what? Cos square theta equals to what? 1 minus sin square theta. Right?
Yes, sir.
Into 1 minus 2 sin square theta plus you multiply it sin theta. This is sin theta minus 8 sin cube theta cos square theta. Now this cos square theta at a time, if I write 1 minus sin square theta, any problem? This cos square theta, I have written 1 minus sin square theta. Now it is your turn. You multiply it. 4 sin theta minus 4 sin cube theta into 1 minus 2 sin square theta sin theta minus 8 sin cube theta plus 8 sin 5 to the power theta. 8 sin to the power 5 theta. Now you again multiply 4 sin theta minus 4 to the 8 sin cube theta minus 4 sin cube theta minus minus plus 4 to the 8 sin 5 theta plus sin theta minus 8 sin cube theta 8 sin 5 to the power theta. Now we are getting 8 plus 8 equals to 16 sin to the power 5 theta and cube 8 plus 4 12 and 8 20. Can you see the proof that I wrote at first? Sin cube theta plus 4 sin theta 5 sin theta equals to right hand side. Is it okay? Is equal to right hand side. Math is done.